What if I told you that thousands of people are earning money online every single day using nothing more than their phone? And the best part? You don't need any investment or special skill.
Welcome back to Learn to Earn, the channel where I share the best online earning methods that anyone can follow. If you're serious about making money online, don't forget to subscribe because Today's method is simple: Facebook content monetization. First, create a Facebook page in a niche people love, such as motivation, pets, cooking, funny videos, or facts. Next, post high-quality original content consistently. Short videos usually perform very well. Make sure your videos are engaging from the first 3 seconds.
Once your page starts getting views and followers, Facebook may invite you to join its monetization programs if you meet the eligibility requirements. The more genuine engagement your content receives, the more opportunities you have to earn. The secret is consistency. Most people quit after a week, but successful creators keep uploading even when views are low.
If you found this video helpful, give it a like and comment "earn" below so I know you want more online earning tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.